Good morning, boys and girls, and this is about to continue. You just finished the video on morning routines, and now it's time to do math. This week's math has a very interesting way of looking at it because math has to do this week with a number, or what we call in fine, good vocabulary, cardinal numbers. Numbers are very hard for children because it's something that is abstract. It means it's something that is hard to remember because it's not something important that you should remember. But as soon as you see a picture, you might know how many there are. And that is what elicits into this lesson. So, what I've done is pulled out some of my flashcards of the past using stuffed animal cats. And each cat has three things. It has a number, a cardinal number. It has a tally mark, which are the little lines on the chalkboard. And it has a picture. So the tally marks and the picture tell you how many is what the number represents. And this is what you need to practice. So I'm going to bend over my camera so that you can focus on moi. And I'm bringing over my first number. The first number is, what is it? Exactly, 5. Short neck, belly fat. Number 5 wears a hat. There are 5 tally marks here. You see the tally marks? And we have 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next one is, remember, this is in random order, is what? Very good. 10. If you said 10, you are correct. Down you run, and 1 is done. And the circle is not a circle, it's an oval. The 0 is an oval. Now, if you look on the bottom, there are 2 sets of 5 tally marks, which means that is 10. And you have your cute 5, 10 ducklings. Okay, here goes the next one. What number is this? Very good, 0. 0 is just an oval, right? And you don't see anything on the picture card because 0 represents no tally marks, no pictures of anything. That is very important, okay? The next number you have is, who remembers this one? Take a good look at it. Okay? If you didn't know, it's 9. First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. And I have 9 tally marks and 9 balloons. Okay? Next one. Yes, a 1. Down you run, and 1 is done. And we only have a tricycle. Not even a bicycle, a tricycle. Okay? Next is, what's this number? Think real hard. First a snake, then come up straight. All right? That's the way to make an 8. Very good. So tally marks of 8, and you have 8 little whistles here. Here's the next number. What's the next number now? We have around and down and out you go. That's the way to make a 2. Very good. So we have 2 tally marks and we have 2 wagons. I used to ride on one of those when I was a little kid. Here goes this one. What number is this? Think real hard. Straight across, slide down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Very good. So you have 7 tally marks and you have 7 hens. I wonder if they're laying an egg. The next one is around and around, just like a bee. That's the way to make a, very good, 3. And this is 3 tally marks, and we have 3 slinkies. If you didn't know, this is a toy. Slinkies are toys. Very old-fashioned toy. Here goes the next one. What number is this? Around and around in a circle you go. That's a 6, just as you know. So this is 6 tally marks and 6 little puppy on wheels. And the last one is 4. That's your age. Down and across and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. And you have 4 tally marks and you have 4 teddy bears. So these are your ways of learning math numbers and cardinal numbers. So these are the things that you should be practicing every day, because you have to learn how to write them. You have to learn how to count and write the correct number. Okay? Because smart is not something you are. Smart is something you get.